In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag leads in Zoho CRM. If you want to keep your leads organized and make them easier to sort, filter, and manage later. Adding tags is a simple and very useful tool inside Zoho CRM. Tags can help you quickly identify groups of leads, like hot prospects, follow-up priorities, or leads from a specific campaign. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add a tag to a specific lead. To begin, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the main dashboard, look for the Leads section in the menu and click on it. This will take you to the area where all of your lead records are stored. From the Leads page, locate the specific lead you want to tag. If you have a long list of leads, it may help to use the search bar or scan through the list carefully so you can find the correct name more quickly. Once you've found the right lead, click on the lead's name to open the full record. After the lead record opens, move your attention to the top area of the page. This is where you'll find several action options related to that lead. Look for the Add Tags option and click on it. A field will appear where you can type the tag you want to assign. Enter the tag exactly as you want it to appear. It's a good idea to use clear and consistent naming so your tags stay organized over time. For example, if you're using tags for lead status or source tracking, keeping the wording consistent will make filtering and reporting much easier later. Once you've entered the tag you want to assign, click Save. Zoho CRM will then apply that tag to the lead record. After saving, you should be able to see the tag attached to that lead, confirming that the update was successful. And that's it. That's how to tag leads in Zoho CRM. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference when it comes to organizing your contacts and staying efficient inside your CRM. If you plan to work with a lot of leads, using tags consistently can save time and help you find the right records faster whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.